Hello, this is John. I'll just reverse this around if I can. No, I can't. Okay. Hello. Yes. There you go. Old fashioned way. I decided to pull my car fridge to bits because it's old and I got a new one anyhow. The reason being is I want to make a fridge inside the glove box. It's got actual room there for drinks, but it doesn't keep it cold as such. Um, so why not turn that into a fridge? So I've got all the components here, and someone commented about that before, and they said, "Hey, did you do it?" Well, this is the simplest way I know. And better than putting ice in a bucket and off you go. But this is better. See these here? It's got a heat shrink here and a fan, and another bit of plate which holds it together. Right. That white thing with the leads is called a coolant plate. Which one side is the side which I want really. That would get cold, and the other side gets hot or gets warm rather. So, but I want the cold side. I mean, I suppose I could on this fridge right here. It's got a switch, so it switches it from the green is cold to red is hot. It's got a self-explanatory tree there. It really got the see how all of this. It's got spider webs on it. So if I wanted, I can keep all this. So we'll test it later on, see if it works. It's still the same. So that switch restriction from cold to warm, not actually really hot, but warm. So I could have a warm, but I just want a cold. Nevertheless, if I wanted to, I could switch it across if I wanted. So there you go. This is my project. So there you go. So I didn't show you taking the bits out, but I know you can work that out yourself. So whether you totally wreck it or you put it back together again, it's up to you. But there you go. Wait for more updates as I go along. Bye. Thank you for watching.